December 15th, 2014, and we got about 7 minutes before the market opens up. Um, I'm looking at the trading day and where I may go long and where I may go short. If we break out the 1550 level, this is the daily chart. If we break out the 1550 level, we can see a test up until the first resistance, which is 2021. If we break out the high for the day, the daily high, the overnight high. If we don't break out and we trace back and break this low here of break this low of 0750, then we can see movement to the downside and possibly close the gap. We're up about 1650, 16 and a quarter. So we can possibly see a close of the gap if we break this low. Pre-market had tested this low here, then pushed up. Could have took some shorts out, bear trap, and it may pull back and turn over and move up to the 21 level, break out, may pull back, break out of this level and start climbing to the 21 level, or it can come back down, chop in this area and break down. So that's what I'm looking at. We have a 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we have this bar. If it breaks above this high on the 4-hour bar and above the previous bar's high of 1550, and this also came up to this high was actually 1475. So if it breaks this 1475 and passes this 1550, I'll be looking to go long up into the next resistance level, which is around 21 up to 32. Okay, the market is open 9:30. We may get a break of this 1550 early, a push up above this 4-hour bar, and a break above the previous 4-hour bar. I'll be looking to go long if it does break out and take and take a short, a small stop. It may be a fake out, but I'm looking above this break. May give it a push a couple of points higher. So let's see if it can break out and keep going a couple of points, or if it's going to be a fake out here and stop us out. 1575. My stop would be 1475. Short stop. In case it just comes back down and doesn't move. I'm only looking to get 2 points if we could, if it happens to move up. 15, 1675, 1775. If it can push up. Doesn't look like it's going to move. Okay, got me out one tick above break even. So we're seeing if it was going to push up as soon as the break happened, but it didn't. So we'll wait and see what happens. Okay, the market came up, tested a little below the resistance level, came up to 1950. So 3 minutes to another 4-hour bar be opening up. So we'll see where that 4-hour bar opens up and see what type of setup we can get on the long side or the short side. Okay, we may be on our way of closing the gap, possibly. like I said, we break this low earlier test of this uh what is this low of 70.50, 2,750, then I'll be looking for a short to break this low to maybe close the gap from yesterday, maybe come down and test the low of yesterday's close, which is 97.25. So let's see if that happens, or it just stays in this area, consolidates, and may break up to the upside or the downside. But this low of 0750, I'll be looking to go short here at 07.25. If this low doesn't break, and on this 4-hour bar we just happen to retrace, on this hourly bar we happen to retrace and break the high of this bar at 2015, I'll take a long position above the break of this bar, this 15 bar, this level here. Okay, we're getting close to this 0750. Break it is low. The first break may just come back to snatch out some shorts and push the price higher. May come to stop some shorts out. Some longs out. Come to stop some longs out. But we'll see. Came down, tested around this 08 level. Didn't really break the low. To me, that's good because I like it to test maybe above it and push back up. Then if it does come down and test again, it's a high probability that it will break this low. And when it break the low, that it'll continue. It won't pop back up. This will be the first pop back up. And if it come down and break it and test it again, then has a high probability of continuing. But we're still in it's an up day. You may chop around in this area here between 10 and 15 for a while. We may chop around this area here. Be back in this area. So this is a point of control. Let's see what happens if it can break down. It's getting choppy. It's real choppy. They come down, chop up. That's 4 points here. There's about 3 points here. So have to keep the stops tight because they look like it's coming down, but coming down choppy. May make a break, pop up, break down, pop up. So let's see what happens on this breakdown. See if it continues lower. If it breaks down, may hold up here, form a double bottom, and continue back up to these areas. So we'll come back and see if I get triggered. Okay, coming back down, testing this 08 level, the pivot point. See if get filled and see if it makes a move lower. It came down, tested this level, popped up off of it. Now it's testing it again. See if we can make a break and move lower. Okay, I'm filled at 750. See how far it can go. Couple of points. Looking for 04, around 04. See if we can get filled around 04. Okay. Taking the time, we got the 20 moving average here. See if it can break the 20. Okay. See if this can close down. Looks like the 6 is holding. It's not going to see if it can break. See if it can break. The 6 is holding. See if we can get down to 4. See if we can break down, breaking the 550. Breaking the 550. See if we can get to 4. I may okay, we have 475. This stretch may be too long for just one bar. See if we can get it. See if we can touch the 4 on this one stretch. Okay, here we go. One tick for the 4. See if we didn't touch the 4. I don't want it to pop up. I want it to touch the 4, but if it pops up, if we don't get it, it touched, but it's just testing that 4 and just popping up. Can we? Okay, filled that 4. That's it. Good trade. Was a long stretch, but may have more to go. Something is wrong. Hold up. I'm one long. Oh, let me get out of this. I'm one long at 04. I don't know how that happened, but I got long at 04. But I got out. Have to look back on that video, see how I got in an extra position.